Hi Sentinel, this is TJ Duckett or Kuma Style with this return packaging for the Sentinel Hulkbuster, the modular armor. I am returning this to get repaired because of a crack. It's hard to really see unless you get the really just right angle and things like that. I don't even know if it'll show in this light, but in the pictures that I sent, it did show. But there's a crack, a hairline crack right there. And when you do see it, it stands out pretty bad. So I appreciate you guys apparently getting it fixed. It stinks that, you know, the whole thing has to be returned for just the helmet, but that's the only problem with it that I saw. So I'm just videotaping it. I always videotape packaging so that you know things are getting returned safely. You know, because I like things shipped to me in good condition. You guys always do. So, and I'm sorry to inconvenience you all. But I did get this insured with priority insurance for the full value. I put in $320 United States. So it's worth it to pay a little bit extra to make sure that, you know, make sure that it's safe and extremely well packaged. The box here, it's packed really good as well. So here it is, and I'm going to add even more packing and things like that. Make sure to weigh it beforehand. I put in 1 pound 9 ounces. That's the weight of the item. And I'm actually going to go downstairs and get more bubble wrap real quick. I do not want to overpack because that makes it too tight, and then all of a sudden, you know, things can get destroyed because of that. They're too tight. But lots of bubble wrap here, very protected, so it will come to you all very safely with no further damage. Alright, and here is your tracking label as well. Make sure that there's no trying to make sure that there's no other information that will get all mixed up with anything from you guys, but fighting fragile, 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 fragile. Alright, so just taking a look at the tracking information. This is priority mail, so it should be 3 to 5 business days. It's going out today, the 14th of August. So hopefully it's to you all by the 20th. Your tracking number over on one side, the right side, is CV058721-324 US. And Josephine Law, Sentinel National Company Limited, Flat AC 3AF, Medics House 24-32 Fuyui Cox Street. I don't know how to pronounce that, so I apologize. Swinwan, North TB, and Hong Kong. So there's my information up top, and this again will go out today, this afternoon. Thank you.